Here we are in section R-2 with numbers 1 through 12. It says find the factors of these numbers 1, 2, and 3. Number 16. So finding the factors, finding everything that goes into it. We first start with 1. 1 times 16. 2 times is 8. 3, no, 4. 4 times 4. Oh, that's all of them until they meet in the middle. Good. Number 2. 48, we've got 1 and 48. 2 times, let me see, 48 divided by 2 is 24. 3, 16. 48 divided by 4 is 12. And then 5, nope, 6 goes into it 8 times. It's a little bit scrunched, but that's all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24, 48. All right, number 3. 110. So we got 1 and 110. I don't know how many will come into this one. Let me see. 2, 55. 3. Does 3 go into 110? Nope. Does 4 go into 110? No. 5. 5 would go into it. Looks like 22 times. 6. Nope, not if 3 doesn't go into it. 7. 110 divided by 7 does not come out evenly. 8 doesn't have it come out evenly. 9, 10. 10 goes into it. It's like 11 times. Hey, that turned out all right. All right, so those are all the factors of 110. Okay, now find the prime factorization. All right, let's do this. That breaks up into 2 into 30, 2 into 15, which breaks up into 3 into 5. So that is 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. And if you wanted to put X's in there instead of dots, that's okay too. All right, 630, that looks like 10 and 63 look like the easy ones. That's a 2 and a 5, and that's a 7 and a 9, which is a 3 and a 3. So we have 2 times 3 times 3 times 5 times 7. All righty. Number 6, 225. I don't know this one off the top of my head. Let me see. It looks like a 5 would go into it. Let me see. That's 40, 45 times. That's 5 times 9, which is 3 times 3. So we have 3 times 3 times 5 times 5. There we go. Let me circle those answers so they're easier to identify. Okay, next is find the least common multiple. Prime factorization is what we'll use as a default. If you can see it ahead of time, that's great. This has prime factorization is just 3 and it's just 13. They're already both prime, so the closest thing we can get is timesing them together is 39. Okay, 8 and 22. This is 2 times 2 times 2, and this guy is 2 times 11. So if we're going to create a number that goes both of these, it'd be 2 times 2 times 2. That gets all of 8, and then this guy times 11. So it looks like 8 times 11 is 88. And so if you wanted to go through that and do 8, 16, 24, 32, and go on up, and then 22, 44, 66, 88, you'd see that they meet at 88. All right, let's try with these next ones. 35 and 21. This is 5 times 7. And this is 7 times 3. So if we want to create a number that has both of them in it, we've got to have a 5 and a 7. And we've got to have 1 3. So 3 times 5 times 7, that is 105. All right, number 10. 108 and 32. This looks like it's 2 times 54, which is 2 times 27, which is 3 times 9, which is 3 times 3. So there's the 108, and then let's do in a different color the 32. It looks like that's going to be pretty big. 32 is 2 times 16, 2 times 8, which is 2 times 4, which is 2 times 2. So 32 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 2s, all timesing together. So in order to make those come together, we already have 2 2s. But we need 3 more 2s. 2, 2. So there we go. That's what it's going to be, and that is 32 times 27, or I guess we could do it as 108, which is this right here. That's 108 times 8. 108 times 8 would be 864. Excellent. Okay, number 11. Oh, this is a big one. Let's look at this one right up here. So 1,500, this is going to be a pretty big guy. Let me see, 15 times 100. That's 3 times 5, 10 times 10, which is 2, 5, and 2, 5. So this is 2, 2, 3, 5, 5, 5. 2 times 2 times 3 times 5 times 5 times 5. Wow. And 180. That is, looks like 10 times 18, which is 2 times 5 times 2 times 9, which is 3 times 3. So this guy is 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. Oh, there's another 2 there. 2 times 2, 2 2s, 2 3s, and a 5. Okay. Let's put those two together now. So we have 2 2s, those double up, good. We need 2 3s, and we only have 1 3, so we need one more 3. And then we need, oh, we got a 5. We already got one of the 5s. Good. So it's going to be 1,500 times the 3. That's the only thing we were missing to get both numbers to go in there. So that's going to be 4,500 total. Excellent. Okay, the last one then. We have 2 planets are aligned with the sun, and one planet goes around every 12 years. I guess they're aligned with each other right now, aren't they? Sun every 12 years, and the other planet takes 22 years. How long before they will be in alignment again? So we got the sun here, we got one planet there, we got the other planet there. This guy will go around every 12 years, and that guy will go around every 22 years. So they'll come back into this alignment. This guy every 12 years, 24, 36, we see that they are multiples, and 22, 44, 66, multiples of 22. So we've got to find the least common multiple of 12 and 22. This guy is 2 times 6, which is 2 times 3, so 2 times 2 times 3. And the other guy is 22, which is 2 times 11. So if we start with that, 2 times 2 times 3, we already have a 2, but we need the 11. All righty, so this is 12 times 11 equals 132. At 132 years, this guy will have gone around 6 times, and let me see, this guy will have gone around 11 times. Excellent.